In today's video, I'll teach you how to register for Westpac online banking. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in westpac.com.au. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Westpac. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now at top, you'll be able to find the options like home, personal, business, corporate, etc. Click on this option personal that you can see at second. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find this option for Westpac online banking. Click on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the online banking interface. You'll be able to find various informations over here. At top, you'll be able to find this section for Westpac online banking. Right over here, you'll be able to find two options, sign in, register. If you already have the online banking account, you'll be able to sign in to your account. But if you want to register for online banking, click on this option, register. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to register for online banking. You'll be able to see 4 steps over here. The first step is to enter the personal details. After that, in step 2, you'll have to answer the security questions. Likewise, after you complete the step 2, in step 3, you'll have to create a password for yourself. Finally, in this step 4, you'll have to provide the contact details. After that, you'll officially register for online banking. So first of all, enter the personal details. Over here, you'll be able to find two options, card number, customer ID. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you click on the option customer ID, you'll have to provide the customer ID, first name, last name and date of birth. Likewise, if you click on this option card number, you'll have to enter the Westpac credit or debit card number, first name, last name and date of birth. So simply enter the credentials over here. Here I'm just going to enter the card number. So click on the field of card number and enter the card number over here. Make sure to enter the correct card number. Likewise, enter the first name. Now after you do that, what you have to do is enter the last name over here. Likewise, select the date of birth. Click on the field of day. Now select the day over here. Likewise, click on the field of month and select the month. Now click on the field of year and select the year over here. Now after you're done, what you have to do is click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now if the personal details that you provided are correct, you'll be led to the step 2. In step 2, simply answer all the security questions that you'll encounter. After you do that, you'll have to create a password for yourself in step 3. Simply create a very strong password according to the requirements. After you create the password, provide your contact details like phone number, email, etc. After you provide all the informations, your online registration will be completed and your online banking account will be created. And you'll be able to access the Westpac online banking account. So that is how you register for Westpac online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.